Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. I am back with another installment of the American Cars Collection by DeAgostini Collectibles. This time I am working on pack number 19, and stages are car number 71 through 74. So we have the Fury 426 Street Wedge, which this picture does not match that, unfortunately, there. The Plymouth Road Runner 1974. Chevrolet Corvette C4 from 1986, and that's really cool there. And Pontiac Fiero from 1986. So let's go ahead and get started. But before that, I'll go ahead and show you the magazine. We'll go ahead and open up 71. And like I said, Fury 426 Street Wedge. This is an AMC car, so it definitely does not match the picture. So you can see here these magazines are around 12 pages, semi-gloss pages. Lots of research was done on the articles that are contained within here. So this highlights the 1965 Plymouth Fury 426 Street Wedge. And they do give you nice photographs from, the sales advertising and all that, dealing with the car. And you can see here the dual intake, the Hemi 426 engine. Very nice there. First minivans, and I hate to say it, that when my kids were growing up, I did have a Dodge Caravan, but it was a good car, good engine. Eroticism on wheels, they always used that to sell their vehicles back in the day. And what was happening on November 15, 1965, Craig Breedlove's record. So this was the Salt Flats, Bonneville Salt Flats, and he did 593 miles an hour. So that's really cool. And then the second run was 608 miles an hour. That's very cool. So that was on my birthday. I was 4 years old when that happened. Fantastic. So let's go ahead and get started and start looking at these cars. We'll start with the Fury, car number 71. I'll be right back. And here's the first car, the Plymouth Fury 426 Street Wedge from 1965. You can see here this is a convertible type top on this. The background gives us a view of what looks like Kansas or Nebraska in the background there. We'll take the cover off and give you a closer view. This is a nice off-white color. Like I said, it has the red convertible top. Very nice. Small mirrors. Wow. Very detailed here. You'll never get a car like this anywhere else. 1/43rd scale. This is a very unique collection. And like I said, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and get this for yourself. We have dual exhaust there going on in the back. We have the Hot Wheels style red pinstripe on the tires. I love it. Chrome wheels, the mag wheels there. Chrome trim with aluminum colored rims. I love it. Windshield wipers. Red interior. That's fantastic. Let's go ahead and look at the next car. And the next car is the Plymouth Road Runner from 1974. And looks like we have Reno, Nevada or Las Vegas in the background there. Take this off, get a closer look, and it's a very subtle orange. It's not real bright, has more of a brownish tone to the orange, but this is fantastic there. I love the Roadrunner striping on it, the Tampo graphics, shaker hood. Wow, fantastic. Look at the front end of that. That screams horsepower. Very cool. Once again, you'll not get a car like this in any other collection. This is fantastic. You should hurry and sign up for this before it goes away. Often DeAgostini will rotate their collections, and this may not be available. If it's not available, just stay tuned. Write them a letter, let them know you want it back, that type of thing. So this is fantastic. White interior, right? Dual mirrors, dual exhaust, right? We've got the exhaust there on the back. But this is fantastic. I love how it stands and how it looks. Let's move on to the next car. And the next car is the Chevrolet Corvette C4 from 1986. So this is the Stingray style Corvette, Indy pace car in canary yellow. Love it. And we do have Texas Motor Speedway, it looks like, in the background, or a road course of some sort. Search. Take that off. I can't talk today for any reason. So this is, of course, is the with the top down on it. Very detailed here once again. It looks fantastic, I think. I love this yellow. If I was to buy a Corvette, it would be that color. Fantastic. Had a friend that owned one of these Corvettes. It's a beautiful car. He had some custom striping on it. He passed away last year, and we sure do miss you, Mike. And every time I see a Corvette like this, I think of you, because you had a beautiful one. But here it is. Fantastic there, your wonderful Corvette. Do these seats recline? Nope. They look great, but there you go. Let's look at the last car in this collection here. And the last car is the Pontiac Fiero Sport from 1986. And these were cool little cars. A lot of people owned them. And they actually used the engines in these in midgets for racing. Very cool there. It had a distinctive sound to it. So this looks like something out of New Mexico, possibly. It's hard to tell. We'll take this off and get a closer look. Painted in white with black accents. Of course, it has the factory wheels on it. White trim on the tires. Very nice there. White interior. Looks great. Of course, the distinctive rear end of a Fiero. Very nice. And the top with the luggage rack. Right. Really have no storage whatsoever in these cars, and they give you the luggage rack there, external luggage rack. So let me know in the comments below if you owned one of these and how fun it was to drive. I think it's very cool. And that will be it for this collection. I'll be right back. And there you go. That was pack 19 of the DeAgostini Collectibles American Cars collection. 4 more cars were reviewed in this, and I hope you enjoyed them. Remember, you can't get another collection anywhere else but by DeAgostini Collectibles. And if it's not available currently, write them a short note and let them know you'd like to see it return. But here is the Plymouth Fury, the Plymouth Road Runner, Pontiac Fiero, and of course the Chevrolet Corvette. Fantastic here. I don't have many more of these to show you, as this collection is coming to an end. But there you go. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.
Yeah. Turn me up. Yeah.